You understand me now? And upon the whole level now, some people look me sometimes and say, "My boss, man, you dress some kind of thing, some kind of thing." Some other people they would also make sure say we look like this. You understand? On top of the whole level, based on these two information I don't carry given now, I get 2 stylists in the building. One a man, one a woman. And of course, they'll follow us talk everything styling. They'll talk more about themselves, tell us about styling. Why is styling they important? You understand? So you got to look how you look and dress the parts and every. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the babe, her name na Vovwe, and the guy in name na Koje. They are with me here in the show. You understand me now? So, we are going to show them. They are here on the show, Koje and Vovwe.
Oh yeah, you know what
you know what they do? Because camera no really show their face. So I call them.
Don't launch him in a way.
Make I go push the camera and say, they are here. When I welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
Vovwe, baby. How fun now? They're looking sumptuous and every. So why they form seduction like this? No, they do this kind of thing. Stop it. Stop it.
We now been trying to host you for a while.
I know, but please. Hey! Stop this thing. Please, good. Koje, if you think Well, now welcome on top of the show.
Thanks, man.
Koje, looking all denim and everything.
I like your shoe.
Like my shoe, Abi? Not be.
I'm borrowing.
Not borrow.
Borrow fire.
Why go borrow?
The
night father. The night father will be.
Bro, Stacey Adams.
No joke, you understand? No, this is Apollo be this one. Apollo be.
It's a big fashion.
Not a trend, you understand? Based on who I be. Then they call the show called the fall the night father hand. I'll fall your own back. But quickly.
Everything where we are in borrow, no worry.
No, man. Me, I know we are in take out. We know. Based on
He's a borrowing someone.
He's a borrowed.
Alas, master, it was borrowed.
He was borrowed. If you check in life now, it might be borrowed. Yes, sir. But now welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
Very, very importantly, we like to celebrate young people the way they make sure they make things happen. You know, as per talent and going out there to make sure they hustle their hustle well. True. Okay. Vovwe, Koje, now quickly introducing herself and the company where they run personally. You understand? So that the young people they were there for outside, they will come and know that you can own a company on your own and make things happen. All right? Vovwe, quickly, ladies first.
Yeah, ladies first. Me, fashion designer and stylist. I start as, funny enough, I start to sell clothes from the beginning.
From selling clothes?
From selling of clothes. When I know say I don't get some kind idea for fashion. So I sell, they help people, they change their wardrobe. I can't look and say, maybe I feel do this thing past like this, you know. So then I work for one radio station at that time, so I can't quit my work. I can't come lag, can't do fashion school.
Okay, you can't go to fashion school when you come lag. Okay, based on fashion, you don't know say you say your eye did this thing. Okay.
So after I don't do the fashion school finish, now I can start my business. Okay. From there, small. Don't they climb, they go. At least don't they get some kind of small award.
No, this is why you say small award and one thing. I know say you win one award. You never to take.
I win 3 last year.
3 last year.
Yeah.
Hoi. Vovwe. So 3 awards last year.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this year they don't nominate me for African Legendary Award. So I didn't pray whether you go help me vote.
No worry, we go vote. I'll not be you. Now you my girl. We go do it.
So that I go vote. I go win that award.
Okay. So your company name now?
OVEM Fashion. So basically, what I push for my company now. Women empowerment. Okay. And then maybe people they feel say we they strong.
Women can do it. Women, you know your day all they pound the arm, they tie a power, your day they all lock up. Women can do it.
We they strong. The collection, all my collections they show say you don't need to overdress. You just need to be simple. Okay. You just put the right pieces together and then you show say you they powerful, you show say you they confident. You know some people don't get self-respect. Some don't even get self-esteem. Some inferiority complex, don't they back at them somehow. So my collection, they help people to dress fine. No, so you get the way you go gauge. If anybody talk to you, person not even feel talk to you.
They don't feel talk to you anyhow.
I better not follow you because when you go see you say guys, you go first.
You all let.
So now be the thing where they push for my fashion to give people power.
Okay, to empower the women then. Okay, now Koje. Quickly, your name, okay, because we will go for the name first. Shina Koje, Kejo, Abwina waiting.
The name is Koje.
Koje,
yeah. Koje Styling and Fashion House.
Okay.
I've been started as a personal shopper.
Okay.
Right from school, Unilag.
Personal shopper, they go to shop for...
my guys will be just they see me, they just a car, say, oh my God, where you been get this thing from now?
Okay.
Help me buy them.
Okay.
That's how I've been start. That time for school, they help people change wardrobe for beginning of semester, beginning of section.
Okay.
They help them pick out clothes.
Okay.
You understand? Waiting day in trend and stuff. So for my year 2 now I can't go fashion school.
Okay, you said go fashion school.
No,
not a year. Make I play post
you go fashion school. You don't lie me.
No. It's very, very important. Say one way or the other, you guys
impact that professionalism.
Professionalism inside you, because you don't get how you want to get the talent. You still need to learn professionally.
You need to get ideas from people who don't sabi before the game. So I've been doing this 3 months fashion school course, where really helped me in my business and stuff.
Okay.
After that, I can't learn how to sew and they learn small basic things for the industry. So moving out from school, now they do my own personal fashion designing house, website, they employ people, they make clothes for people, basically. Then I can't start the style for celebrities, for artists, video shoots and photo shoots, and even personal styling. Now I can't do generally. So now the whole thing can't take start with that.
All right, for those of you who don't know, Sha, I don't say if I look my gajin where, you understand? Come back to me. If I look my own gajin like this, nah, you know, because people don't feel me saying, now Koje, nice timing today. You understand? Nice timing today. Just speak out of yourself.
Thank you.
So I don't say easy. I make sense. You understand?
You can't pay me the day we Koje style, you can't talk.
No worry. No, the day we go style me.
Life, I style you. I style you everywhere you go.
Yeah, don't worry. Go style my life.
Koje nice to style. Thank you.
The stuff when I go.
Wait, now Koje nice style you.
Yeah, for the day of the
applause.
Thank you.
No, wait now. I don't say we just try the help the ministry.
Exactly. Tell
you don't call this show before now.
Which day?
Hey!
You can't lie, the day I came with the relay, we were crazy.
Not crazy day. So now first day, this we are honoring his first day.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you very much.
But quickly, about styling now. Why they very, very important, say, person must always, because some people they always watch, some people they look now, they like to admire people dressing, but they don't ever do anything about their own dressing. You understand? Why they very important, say, person must consider the way they dress when they come out.
What I take for female, why Koje go take for
guys. Okay.
Basically, for women, you know, say, now the way you carry yourself, now that kind of customer you go attract.
The way you carry yourself, now that kind of customer now you go attract.
Yes,
okay.
Now if I know say women with the dress the way we feel sometimes, so just wake up say, I know they feel myself today. Anything where I just like make I just wear. Me number one.
Okay.
I'm a fashion designer, but
they worry you sometimes.
Sometimes you always wake up just and I'm waiting. I won't wear this.
I go fit dress anyhow, but I can't realize something. One day I put on to experiment because anything where I want to do, I do experiment.
Okay.
So I can't dress one day, just dress and I just come out. All the way to me that day for Nagberu.
So that means basically they try to say how they dress, and see where they attract with that.
All these area boys. When I come even reach the office where they go, the person come they say, sorry, we are expecting a fashion designer. Is it you?
Not
I say yes. He says, please dress like you want us to take you seriously. What's this?
So which basically means say at the end of the day,
basically
dress the way you want me to dress.
Yes, exactly. You know, so I can't the next week when I go back to the office, now I dress the way I dress on the normal day. And when I come from the gate,
they open door.
Good morning, ma. Who do you want to say, ma? Ma. I said, wow.
That's so.
I came last week. He said, ma. I said, yes, I came last week. So I can't realize the experiment where I do. Now really, it work. So many women know they dress the way you feel. I don't say sometimes you know they feel happy, but even in that your unhappy state, just they are made they okay.
Look good.
And then another thing, not be just for people to look down on you. You they tell your life story by what you they dress.
Okay.
By what you they wear.
Okay.
People not be everybody go sit down, they follow you, they talk. Immediately some people just see you, say this guy looks cheap. Then the new thing when they ring, people they pack too much accessory. They like TV ring, they plenty bango, come be like shower kobo. You know that kind of thing. It don't make sense. Women were supposed to dress powerfully because now we get power.
Because I'm not understanding means this powerfully where you talk now, to some people when the plenty ring
and I be
the
powerful,
bangle, and I be powerful.
but not be
so.
You need to learn how to do a moderate.
Minimize,
For example,
minimize
now I
your
just wear this simple dress and shoe, and just put the small cap. Now this small cap, now just make them day cheek. If I don't want to put this cap, now go comb my hair properly. Maybe just put very tiny neck piece, put a smaller earring, and I'll wear a jacket on top. I don't ready for office.
Bam, nonsense.
Not be by to the gauge, wear pant trouser, wear this one, wear another one. Come be like stuffed pumpkin.
They live, you go finish their mouth.
You know. So it not be by like that.
Basically, for women at least, the talk say at least dress the way you want me to address you for outside, and at the same time dress at least to tell you kind story of life.
Because I not be every time the person go see you, follow you, talk. So what thing you want make I see immediately? I look you. You want make I see intimidated, stupid, low person, cheap girl, or you want make I see person where they're very confident and okay with herself.
Okay, so Koje, for the guys now, it's almost same.
But I just want to add some few points. For guys, the thing they're very simple.
Okay.
Guys, they really look back on themselves. You know, for during our father's times, you know, fashion was laid back, but now fashion don't change. Everything don't change. Yeah. As guy, you guys if they come out, even on a night out with your friends, or on a corporate event, or whatever it is, even before weddings, that's basic suit. But now people they take really details into what they wear for their weddings. So all those things they matter. They matter really well.
Because at the end of the day, like you talk, how you take dress, now they decide how you take.
Yeah, even for guys, if you want to toast me, you be like who they.
Like exactly, you understand my point.
Because some chicks they not be lying. I don't meet one girl before we say if you like wear the most expensive thing, I own a shoe.
Yeah, sure.
Now your shoe should look.
Some people na specs.
Some people
na your watch.
Your watch.
Na your everything. Your accessories and stuff. So everything matters.
One more point. Not be say you must wear designer.
No,
you must wear gadget, not unnecessary money where you go use take
something will suit your color, your complexion, and your shape.
You don't understand. But just they okay. And me, I like a guy where they dress okay. I know they look designer for me.
But at least make it just arrange.
Just okay. They make your bank account they okay.
All right, quickly, because not to get time.
Okay.
What do you mean no-nos in the next 1 minute? No for as lady now. No for guys. What thing they not supposed the form mixture for? And then Koje, you go talk for women. As stylist where you be, you go talk women. What thing they not supposed they do mixture for? And you go talk as a woman for men. What thing they not supposed they do
okay, so what thing they turn like what thing go fit turn off women for guys?
Yes.
Okay, many.
Just start from somewhere quickly.
Okay.
Start from somewhere.
Guys, for me, you know first. No wear shirt of 3 days.
Oh, shirt of 3 days.
Yeah.
Oh, some men they wear for if they come see the armpit. Oh, baja,
and then they'll come, they get mine, they call you.
Oh! when they give it to you,
you receive it.
The perfume, they don't sweat on top of the perfume. They don't put more. And you see guys, they wear perfume well. So the person don't want to meet you, you go to perceive perfume
with sweat.
Jesus.
And so different perfume don't mix so call the smell mess.
God, that one just horrible.
Okay.
Very horrible.
I don't know.
Then another no for me, a guy where they wear shoe without socks.
Okay.
Your dress corporate, no, not be you now. You be better person.
But some shoe they wear without socks now.
No, I mean corporate. You
corporate, okay.
You did corporate now. You come here.
Come wear corporation, no
come wear corporate socks. Come wear ass boy with the hair.
Okay, quickly. Okay.
So that's one of the no-nos for me.
Another thing for guys, where you forget, we say, they could make guys they sag. You understand? If you dress finish, if you dress corporate, you can't they put they sag, they corporate casual.
And it's when they pay me pass now. Bosses so be say they never wash.
They can't they sag them.
The band line go they brown.
Now one thing with that. But for ladies, the quick one.
You know why they look at? I don't see this.
No. Easy, they very clean.
Okay.
It is
easy. The day I see easy for catch out that bridge, you know the baby like this. And you come together, I guess you yansh the road. Hey, they look at bosses and they follow up about bosses line on brown.
How quickly, Coach?
Okay,
no from your side for
ladies. Basically, if you did dress,
yes,
and you say okay, you did very fair in complexion. you're not supposed to go for very attractive, loud colors.
Okay.
As a fair girl, you don't need that attractive already.
Hey, you also see some girls, they like up nepa. You also
I tell you, and some of them will say they don't even come add some kind of mixtures. We say they don't bleach. They come, they see different colors. Come, they wear extra colors on top of them. You don't really they very fashionable.
Okay.
Another thing we say for girls, make you try conceive your body. Make you try, if you know conceal. You say conceal rather. Thank you, my dear. Make you try conceal your body. If you did very busty or very big, maybe you try to say okay. I suppose wear pants. Maybe say at least go hold me small. Don't be say now pencil you go to wear. No.
Okay.
And to add to that concealing, the new one where they wear this tight we get the wear.
Tight we wear the wear.
Only tight.
You're only that leggings, not be jeggings, not be jeans. So that leggings. Don't wear with tank top.
So basically,
I feel vomit for the person body.
If they leave, you go to beat your customer.
No, seriously. If you won't get, you know, girls, so we say we get different kind of fat.
Yes.
Now we get the smooth fat, so we go just stay rounded, go do okay. Now we can't get the one they call CD.
CD, which one be CD?
Now we say you go get seat.
Oh, leave her there.
You come here leggings, come here tank top. You can't be like folded more we don't spoil.
But at the end of the day, Sha, basically dress according to your body.
To your body shape and your complex.
All right. So quickly, when I just drop on our social media handles for people that we would like to follow now, asking us some questions, get to know now more and all that. On our social media handles so that they will follow and relate better. As time they go on, we carry on they come talk about these things. You understand? Yeah. So quickly.
Yeah, me now at Ovems for Instagram. For me, Instagram, you won't hit me, just catch me Instagram.
Okay.
Twitter and all those ones. I do, but for fastest, you want to reach me quick.
Okay.
For a quickie. At
Ovems.
OVEMS.
Okay.
Ovems. Ask me any question, whatever you want me to do.
All right, quickly.
If you want to follow us on top, Google Plus, if you reach me on kojestyling@gmail.com.
Okay, kojestyling@gmail.com.
Or for Yahoo, kojestyling@yahoo.com.
Okay.
For Instagram, kojestyling on Instagram.
Koje Koje.
Koje, yes. And for Facebook, facebook.com/kojestyling.com.
Okay.
And
so
on
basically,
Twitter,
kojestyling.com.
Kojestyling@kojestyling.com.
All right, not on here. I'm gonna make sure say we carry them come back again, maybe like next week. We'll come put some pictures on top of the whole team. Take those pictures until they talk different things. We have some people, come correct some, come sit in the house, we'll do some other things. You understand? So no worry, we'll still carry them come back. Not be today, they are matter finished because they're here with us. All right, so from us for here, we'll say good night to everybody. Hopefully, I don't learn one or two things. And most importantly, tomorrow, now, October 1, because of us just ready for independence. You understand? So we do on the whole level. So easy bit. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done it.